This may be the easiest way to make money online without selling anything or doing any kind of marketing. With this method, you don't need to build your website or create your channel on YouTube. To be exact, you don't need any social following or audience whatsoever. All you need to make money with this method is to follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video. Yes, it's that simple. In this video, I will show you how to implement this method to make $100, $500 or even $1,000 online in 4 simple steps. I will show you every step in detail, so at the end of this video, you will be able to start earning money. Later, I will also be showing you how to earn more money with additional websites and double or even triple your earnings. Hi, I'm Ola from Income Ola, and all I do in this channel is helping you to make money online. Today I will show you one of the easiest and fastest ways to make $100, $200, $500 or even $1,000 online. And while I like long-term established business that you have to work on it and see long-term income results, I still always trying to help you guys. And I got many requests for making video just like this about quick money. So I will personally won't do this method, but if you're struggling for money, if you need quick fix, you don't have time to invest in long-term business, you want to do something fast and start earning money, then you can invest this money in your long-term business. Huh? So I will show you this method anyway. But I want to warn you guys, I won't do that because I'm focusing on long-term business with long-term income. But because I know many people out there struggling for even $100, they just need some start to invest in later business. So that's why I'm giving you this method, guys. And now let's start. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google. Type in Google News and click on the first web page. Here you will see all the latest articles on different topics. If you're living outside of USA, I would suggest you change the language and location to USA. You can simply do it here. Here on the left you have categories. Choose the one that's more interesting for you, and now you will see all the latest articles on different topics within this niche. From here you have 2 options. The best way is to research the topic based on the article you found, and then rewrite an article better than this one. You can use websites like thesaurus.com to help you find synonyms and more subtitles and ideas, and basically sit on your butt few hours writing your own piece of content. You can type in Google the topic and you will see many questions people ask about this topic. These could be your subtitles. But if you have no time to write an article of your own, or you just don't have those writing skills, you can do it the second way. This way is less ethical, but still legit. It is free and it takes only a few minutes of your time. So I would write my own article and do my own research on the topic. But I have a feeling you want to hear about the second and the easiest way. Right, you nutty? So the second way is to copy the text from the article you have found and paste it into a software called Spinbot. I will show you how to do it. Go to spinbot.com, paste the text from the article in the box, check the I'm not a robot box and click on Go. Spinbot will rephrase your text and replace the words using synonyms and switching the order. And now you have your own kind of original text. In the box underneath, you will see the rewritten text. But please don't use it as it is. First of all, read the text and make sure it is different enough from one hand and makes sense from the other hand. I would suggest using a free Chrome extension called Grammarly. Download Grammarly, then copy the rewritten text to Word Counter or other piece of software. And you will see this little circle on the right bottom side. The red color means your text has some mistakes. Just click on the text and it will correct the words. I have a pro version, so Grammarly would suggest rephrasing the whole sentences for me. And English is my third language after Russian and Hebrew. So Grammarly is my go-to tool for so many things. I write my emails with it, my posts, even the ebook. It helped me to write my ebook. So Grammarly definitely is something worth trying, and it's entirely free until you decide to upgrade, which I did eventually. But to start, you just need free Grammarly and it will help you a lot. Now you have your new article in your own words, and you can use it in 3 different ways to make money. The first way that you probably heard about is to build your free website with Google Sites, GrooveFunnels, Wix, or another free website builder, and to publish many articles. This is a long-term business model, and in the back end, you will make sales promoting affiliate products or eventually placing ads on your site. The second way is to make a video from this article using software like Vidnami. Here you can make a video in 5 minutes. You just paste the article in the box and the AI will find the right footage and music with captions and even a voiceover. If you are interested in 30-day free trial with Vidnami, I have a link in the description of this video. If you don't want to use paid software or you don't want to try Vidnami for free, then you can use video editors like OpenShot, edit your videos, put some footage with the text, make captions. It's a little bit longer, but still worth it. Then you just publish the video on your channel and waiting for the views to come. This way is also long-term and the earnings will come mainly from affiliate links or ads. I have a better way for you. Here you don't have to build a website and aren't required to publish any videos. There are websites that will pay you money for your article. Some of them will pay you up to $1 for each word. If you have 1,000-word article, which most of them are, you can earn up to $1,000 for each and every article. I will show you a few of those websites and how they work. The full list of websites that will pay you at least $100 per article you will find in the description below this video. Think about it. You can make those articles in few minutes or max a few hours if you write them on your own. If you make one article each day, you can earn at least $100 per day. Most of those websites will pay you much more. And the more websites you publish on, the better, because then you can double and triple your earnings. So let me show you a few of those websites. So the first site is Eating Well. If you scroll down, jobs, click on jobs. And then when you scroll down, you will see writer guidelines, who we are, and you can read how can you submit. And you can publish 10 times a year. They pay you up to $1 for a word, and this is really great. Here you have all the guidelines that you need, and also this email. Send your pitches to this email, and then just write the subject of your article and then paste the article here, attach the file here. If they accept your article, you're gonna get up to $1 for a word. So the second website, let me write it here. Here is mostly about long stories, but the niche can be anything. You see, No Escape from Online Memories, different stories, different things. And they take submissions. I think it's here. Yeah, you just click on submissions, and here are the guidelines how to submit. They pay between $250 and $1,500 per story. And the third site is Metro Parent, and this, as you can guess, it's about parents. So if you find something about parents, you can put it here. And this is writer guidelines. You can read those guidelines and see how you can submit. And they have not only articles, they have short stories, and they will tell you exactly how much they pay for each. But roughly they pay $200+ for long article with about 2,000 words. So go to the description and check other websites, and you can submit to many websites. Just make sure to read your article before you submit. It's your name. You don't want to send them crappy articles, which I doubt because you got it from Google News. So that's basically how you do that. In Google News, you also can do search. So let's say you want something for parents, you go to search for topics and you type parenting, and here you have many articles. And look at this, 23 hours ago. It's very, very fresh article. So basically that's what you have to do.